How to remove background objects in the Meitu app. So first open the app if you haven't already. Then your home screen should look something like this. Here you'll see an option called photo. Simply tap on it and select the photo that you would like to remove the background object of. Then after choosing your photo, you'll see many options on the bottom of your screen. Simply scroll until you see an option called remover, which is right next to the adjust option. Then tap on it. Then using your finger, simply select the object that you would like to remove. And this is how you can remove background objects using the Meitu app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time.